your body like me.
What's up, Worry Mom? It's your boy Kendi. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a little vlog. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We're making us some pancakes. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. You guys have a name finally. The Royal Mob. Yeah, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to pour 1 cup of the cake mix. You gotta make sure you shake it to get it even. So, as you see, we have our 1 cup, and we're gonna pour it into your bowl or whatever you're gonna use, and then you're gonna add 3/4 cups of water. Go ahead and cut on the stove. We have that's a little bit of, that look like a cup of water to me. So I'm gonna pour it out some, make sure it's even. And we're gonna add it. And then we're gonna get us a spoon, and we're going to start stirring.
You want to stir real good until it gets really thick, and it's time to pour into the pan.
So I'm going to stir this. You're going to stir for like between 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to continue to stir, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I have finished stirring. Now we're going to add our butter. We're going to, this a bit too much.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
This butter smells amazing, you guys. So it is complete. We're going to let the butter melt. And now we're going to pour our pancake mix onto the skillet. Let's add a little bit more, just depending on how much you want to make, you know. So I'm cooking for 2. Say hello to the family commission, the Royal Mob. But so we're gonna let this pancake cook, and I'll be back. Okay, now it's time to flip. Look at that, we have a nice crisp pancake here. As look at it, it's amazing. But yes, like I said, we will be making 6. Why do a thumbs up? We'll be making 6 pancakes.
Cooking with Chef Day.
Now, let's just continue to make our other 5. Always add a little bit more butter after each pancake that you make. Not too much, but just enough, because the skillet is already hot.
That's good enough.
You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. My grandma likes her pancakes crispy, so we made sure it was a little burnt, you know.
And always just make sure you wash your hands before you cook, cause some of y'all are nasty out there, okay? Some of y'all nasty.
A few moments later.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We're on the road.
Burn, breathe.
I ain't burning nothing. I'm in the middle of filming. What's up, YouTube? So this is the final product of our 5 pancakes. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. On the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for the next YouTube video. Peace.